Now that you have understood the origins of digital marketing and the advantages of digital marketing over traditional marketing, this means now you understand the basic concepts, which means you can go on to the next topic, which is what digital marketing tools. So basically, now that you know the origins where digital marketing comes from, you now need to know the tools which helps you to leverage digital marketing skills. So after that, when you know the tools to leverage digital marketing skills, you learn about the digital marketing channels. That is the topic that is going to follow also. So the digital marketing channels will be also used to help you to establish what we call the tools are going to help you establish the platforms in which you are going to be executing a digital marketing skill. The channels are going to help you to manage the digital marketing your digital marketing skills and also get the results and the return on investment. So enjoy this topic very well, guys, and press in for the next topic. Please do read and understand. And when you answer your questions, please do give short answers and brief, precise explanations. This tells us you understand what you are doing. Don't give answers for the sake of proving us that you know, but give answers for the sake of proving us that you understand. Thank you very much.